The Chemistry of Softball by Madison Chappell. I chose this topic because softball is my favorite sport and I was very interested in seeing the different components of a softball bat. Softball was invented by a man named George Hancock in 1887. It became very popular among women and in 1991 was decided to be put in the 1996 Olympics. The first softball bats were wooden, but in 1970, aluminum bats were invented. An aluminum bat is made up of aluminum alloys or pure aluminum. Some had graphite or titanium lining. Aluminum bats were popular because they were light and durable. There were also thin barrels, so when the ball was hit, it would go farther. Then in the mid-1980s, composite bats were invented, but they didn't become popular until the early 2000s. The composite bats became popular when they began to outperform aluminum bats. There are a lot more components in a composite bat than an aluminum bat. The steps to make a composite bat are Step 1. The manufacturers take carbon fiber sheets and spiral them onto a pole, and then they bake it in an oven. Next, they inject epoxy resin, and then they put pressure on the bat so that the materials form together. After that, the manufacturer cuts a resin base into the handle. Then they balance it and wrap a rubber or leather grip around it. They wrap it up by spray painting the bat and putting decals on the bat. Some composite bats also have graphite, Kevlar, and fiberglass in it. All of these materials make the bat have a trampoline effect, which means when the ball makes contact with the bat deforms and bounces the ball off the bat, which makes the bat go further when it hits just about right, most of the time on the sweet spot. After the ball hits the bat goes back to its normal shape. All of the chemical formulas are for fiberglass, Al2O39, B2O35, MgO85, SiO2. Carbon sheets, C3H3N. Aramid is C14H10N2O2. Epoxy, C12H25, ClO5.